แนะนำเป็นภาษาอังกฤษหน่อยดิ1 นาที
These all are the art toys from the artists from all around the world. So this one is the Molly collection. This one is the Zika collection. This is a very famous one. It's Molly Space.
famous one
Yes.
Japanese
This one,
Japanese toy
I'm not so sure about the Molly one. I don't think she is Japanese, but yeah.
she I think
She
I
is
thought
a she.
he
Molly.
Molly
Her name
okay
is Molly. They'll show you. This one is I think the collection called Molly when I was 3 years old. It's like when she was at 3 and then she just wanted to be so many things. I forgot his name. Yeah,
which one is your favorite
I like this one.
this one
Yes,
wow
because I don't normally like the black and white color together.
okay
Okay,
well done good job
thank you.